How to download Instagram Reels. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Instagram Reels easily. So here, let us go to Instagram here, and then for example, this is the Reels, and if we click on this share icon here, just click on it, and here you can see we don't have any option to download. In some Reels there will be an option to download, but if you don't have this option, then what you need to do is that you just need to click on this copy link. Just click on copy link. Okay, after you copying the link, just go back. After going back, go to Google, and then here you have to search for Instagram Reels download. Okay, and then after this you can go with any website here. So you can just go to the first one, just click on it, and then after clicking on it, here you can see paste the link here. Just you need to paste the link here and then click on download. Okay, it will take a few seconds to load the page, and here you can see this is the Reels. So if you want to download this, just you need to click on download. Okay, let me just show you. Hold on. You can see here download video. Just tap on download video here, and then you'll get one ads here. Just disconnect this, and then here you can see your reel is being downloaded. Click on open option, and then you can see here this is the reel. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.